What's going on, everybody? Thank you. We got a 10-minute low impact cardio. What that means is that's no jumping, okay? No jumping is required. No equipment is required. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go into some lunges here. Side lunges, alternating side to side here, okay? Keep that back tall. Keep that bottom back. Push off with each of that bent knee side, okay? Push to the other side. Alright. Again, 10 minutes, 10 moves. Low impact, no jumping, okay? Alright, this is where you know, like, if you have bad knees, bad ankles, or an injury. Alright, this workout is for you. Keep it going. Keep it breathing. Every single push to the other side, you exhale that breath. Keep that back tall. Keep that chest proud here, okay? Good. Great job. Nice and easy. Alright, this is also a little bit dynamic stretching for those legs here. 10 more seconds. You got this. Feeling good. Feeling great. Alright. Get that mindset. Alright. Alright, bring it on up. We got some front kicks right here. Swing those arms for me. Get those feet up right there in front of you. Kick down that door, okay? Kick like you mean it. Working that speed here. Exhale that breath every time you kick. Great job. Keep going. Swing those arms, okay? It's adding more to the movement here. You'll be burning more calories this way. The more you're moving, the more you're working. Okay? Remember that. Challenge yourselves. Challenge that body. Great job. 20 seconds left. Good. Keep breathing. Don't forget that breath, okay? It's all about that control. Control the breathing. Every single move. Alright, next move up. We hold a squat. Hands up. Jab it out right here. Back is nice and tall. Punch like you mean it. Quads are going to be working. Exhale that breath every time you jab out. Again, rotating those palms. Palms are down. Palms come back in towards that chest here. Find that balance point, okay? Sit that bottom back. Good. Keep it breathing. Again, exhaling every jab. Punching like you mean it. Just like those kicks earlier. I want you to put that body into it. Okay? Put that mind into it. Get the most out of the workout. Good. Good job. Quads are burning. Back is taut. Core is engaged here. Keep working. 15 seconds left. Then we're going into some side kicks. Okay, that's gonna work some core. That's gonna work balance. Working those legs. Alright, hands up, side kicks, alternating side to side. Hands up, and that will help you balance, okay? Kick out. Right there to that side. To that side. Alright, you got this. Feel it right there in the outer thigh. Working that core here, keeping that body balanced, supporting yourself with that one leg. Get that foot up nice and high. Good. Great job. 25 seconds left. How are we doing out there? Still with me? Still kicking? Yes. Yes, you can. Yes, you are. You got this. Find that motivation, alright. Challenge yourself, 10 seconds. Alright, twisted jabs here. Side to side. Punch like you mean it's okay. Every single move. Put everything you got into it. Side to side here. Punch on out. Wall to wall. Working some obliques here, side abs, shoulders. Exhale in as you punch out. "30 seconds. Nice work, everybody. Alright, the next move up is going to be a little bit of a combo move here, okay? It's knees to side kicks. So I'm going back to those side kicks, but I'm adding in those knees. Alright. Good. 5 seconds. Alright, knee side kicks. Here we go. Knee, knee, kick, kick. Combo here, okay? So 2 moves. Good. Get that knee up nice and high. All the way to that chest. Exhale that breath. Every single knee, every single kick. Working that balance, okay? Good. How we doing? Looking good. Feeling great. Working that core, working that balance. Working those abs, working those legs. Alright, we got a lot of things working here. Keep going, 20 seconds left. Good job. Keep breathing. Keep it working. Alright, we're going to uppercuts with some fast feet here. Feet wide. Palms towards you. Punch it. Punch it out. Good. Nice job bouncing on those toes here. Heels are off. Flexing those biceps. Uppercuts. Great job. Keep going. Breathe, breathe, breathe. A little bit faster uppercuts. Good job everybody. Keep going. Nice job. 15 seconds. Great job. 5 more seconds. Alright, bring it up. We got some elbows. Elbows. Jab. Jab. Elbow. Elbow. Jab. Jab. As you can see, I'm rotating my feet as I go punch out and as I elbow. Exhale every time you elbow. Every time you jab. Palm down. Good. Alright. Great job. Get those elbows out. Going forward, okay? As you see, I'll slow it down. Punch out, punch out. Elbow out, punch, punch. Good. Breathe. You got this. Keep going. Nice job, everybody. Keep going. Keep challenging yourselves. Keep breathing, okay? Nice job. Alright, back to those uppercuts. Then we're going hooks. Hooks. Hook is a 9-degree elbow, palm down, up, up, hook, hook. And I'm still rotating my feet, okay? Still rotating those hips. Alright, it's similar to that elbow, except we're having that palm down right across our chest. Alright. Good. Great job. Keep it going. 25 seconds left. Keep those feet moving, okay? Keep them rotating. It's giving you a little bit more power through that move, through that punch. Good. Almost there. Alright, bring those hands up. We're going standing starfish. Get that foot up. Hands apart, making that X with that body, okay? Get that foot up higher than you're dropping that hand down. Exhale that breath every time you bring that hand to foot. Working that core, working those shoulders, working those legs. Good. Great job, everybody. Keep breathing. Control the breath. Almost there, 25 seconds. Stay strong. Finish strong. You got this. I know you do. Nice work. Almost there. And time. Alright, great job everybody. Shake out those arms, shake out that body. Roll the shoulders back. Control the breath, okay? Draw the breath. Nice good inhales, nice good exhales. Fill up those lungs, empty them out completely. Roll them forward. Alright, pull in one foot, right quad stretch. Hold that balance or hold the wall, hold an object. Feel that stretch from that right leg. Switch sides. Alright, bring it down, arms across. Alternating which arm goes on top. Alright. Inhale, reach those hands up. Exhale, come back down one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Great job today, everybody. Thank you for joining me for this low impact cardio, alright? Let me know in the comments below how it was for you. Alright, how was this workout? How many breaks, if any breaks, did you have to take in between each of the moves, okay? Alright, until next time, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you next time.